I have my cat sprite on my stage. The last lesson we made our sprite move backwards and forwards across the stage, bouncing from the edge. This time we would like our sprite to follow the mouse pointer as it moves around the stage. And today we are going to write some scripts on the same. So first thing we are going to do is to start the program when we click this green flag. So we'll go to events option and we'll select the first option, which is when green flag is clicked, and drag it within the script area. Now what we would like it to do is to point towards our mouse pointer as it is moving on the stage. However, we would want it to keep it doing that forever and not just once and stop. So we'll go to the control option and we'll select the forever loop and drag it and attach it with the green flag. Now I will go to motion option and I will select the option of point towards the mouse pointer. I will drag it and attach it within the forever loop. Now if you can see that whenever we click the green flag, our cat moves pointing towards the mouse pointer. However, it is not moving, it is at the static position in the center. But I want my cat to move. So let me use the stop button and I can also select the option of move 10 steps and attach it just within the forever loop and attach it with my previous block. So you can see here whenever you click on the green flag, it is moving just like this. It's following my mouse pointer and it is moving along with it. Now I want my cat to leave some impression as it moves so that I can see its path. So I will just press the stop option. I will click my cat and drag it within the center again. Now I can go to the another option which we call it as extensions. So and in the left hand corner you can see an add extension and here you will select the option of pen. So if you click on the pen option and automatically the set of codes for the pen option comes to your left hand side. What you will do here, you will select the third option of pen down and you will just attach it below the when green flag is clicked. Now whenever you press the green flag, it is automatically making an impression and you can see that the path of the cat followed. Whenever I press the stop button, it gets stopped, right? And if I press green button again, the cat is making the impression just over and above the previous path. We can clear the marks by adding the option of erase all and dragging it just below the code when green flag is clicked. So let's try, and here you can see that the cat is moving here and is following my mouse pointer, is following, and if I stop it and if I want to start it again, so if I press my green flag, then the path or the trial or the marks done by the cat previously is removed. So this way you can not only make marks on the stage, but you can make beautiful shapes using these options. Sequence of our codes is when green flag is clicked, erase all, pen down, within forever loop, it is pointing towards the mouse pointer and move 10 steps.